Welcome. This is a Ho'oponopono healing meditation for health, peace, and inner well-being. If you wish to release stress, restore balance, and invite healing into your life, listen to this meditation every day for the next 21 days. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, relax your body, and take a slow, deep breath. Breathe in peace, and breathe out all tension. Once again, breathe in healing, and breathe out every worry. Now, set your intention. Silently say, I choose health, I choose peace, I choose healing. I allow my body to return to perfect balance. Imagine a warm golden light, gently flowing from above, surrounding your entire body. This beautiful light fills every cell with love, strength, and healing energy. Feel your mind becoming calm, your heart becoming lighter, and your body becoming deeply relaxed. Now gently say to your body, Dear body, I am sorry for every moment I ignored you. Please forgive me. Thank you for supporting me every day. I love you. Repeat slowly. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Again. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel every cell responding with love and gratitude. Imagine your body becoming healthier, stronger, and more vibrant with every breath. Now repeat these affirmations. My body knows how to heal. Every cell is filled with perfect health. My mind is peaceful. My heart is full of love. I welcome healing. I welcome strength. I welcome complete wellness. Take one final deep breath. Place your hand over your heart and say, Thank you, my body. Thank you for your strength. Thank you for your healing. Every day, in every way, I become healthier, happier, and stronger. Slowly breathe in and gently breathe out. When you are ready, open your eyes and carry this feeling of peace, healing, and gratitude with